Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. While continuously variable transmissions have their advantages, such as smooth acceleration and improved fuel efficiency in certain situations, there are some reasons why some individuals might choose not to get a CVT transmission in their vehicles. It's important to note that the technology and engineering of the CVTs have evolved over time, and some of the concerns that were more prevalent in earlier models have been addressed to some extent in more recent designs. So today, let's talk about the haves and loves of a CVT transmission. Also, we will review the top 5 notorious CVT transmissions that will give you a big headache. So remember to stay with us till the end of the videos. First, let's see the reasons why people might be cautious about choosing a CVT. Number 1, unresponsive acceleration. Some earlier CVT designs suffer from a phenomenon known as a rubber banding, where the engine noise and RPM didn't match the acceleration, leading to a sensation of sluggishness or responsiveness. Newer CVT have improved this issue, but some drivers may still perceive acceleration as less responsive compared to the traditional transmissions. And the second one is perceived lack of engagement. Traditional automatic transmissions and manual transmissions provide distinct gear shift that some drivers find more engaging and enjoyable. CVTs often lack these distinct shift points, which can make driving feel less connected and less enjoyable for those who prefer more dynamic driving experience. And the third one is durability concerns. While advancements have been made in CVT technology, some drivers are still concerned about the long-term durability and reliability of these transmissions. CVTs historically had a reputation for being more prone to failures than traditional automatic transmissions, although this gap has been narrowing with improvement in design. And the fourth is the towing capability. Vehicles equipped with a CVT may have limitations when it comes to towing heavy loads. Traditional automatic transmissions with torque converters might offer the better towing capabilities in certain scenarios. Next is the adaptation period. Some drivers find it takes time to get used to the driving dynamics of a CVT, especially if they have primarily driven vehicles with conventional transmission before. The lack of the distinct gear shift can be initially off-putting for some drivers. Next is the repair availability. Depending on where you are located and the specific make and model of your vehicle, finding qualified mechanic and replacement parts of the CVT might be more challenging compared to the traditional transmissions. Next point is the driving feel. Many driving enthusiasts prefer the feeling of a traditional transmission with defined gear changes, which can provide a more engaging driving experience. Of course, this is very subjective and may vary on every driver's individual experience. And the last one is the maintenance and repair cost. CVTs can be more complex than traditional automatic transmissions, and repairing or replacing them can be more expensive. If a CVT fails outside of the warranty period, the cost of replacement or repair can be significant. So that's the reason why we keep mentioning the importance of a regular maintenance. In our next video, there are many handy hacks you can use to take care of your car. Alright, for these potential problems, which one you may concern most? Leave a comment below to let us know. We'd like to hear from you. Also, it's important to recognize that the advancements in CVT technology have led to the improvements in many of these areas. Manufacturers have been addressing these concerns to enhance the overall driving experience and reliability of CVTs. If you are considering a vehicle with a CVT, it's a good idea to thoroughly research the specific make and model, read reviews from the reputable source, and if possible, test drive the vehicle to see how it suits your driving preference and needs. Before we jump into the next discussion, remember the thumbs up to encourage us for more valuable information sharing. Your little gesture will be the big encouragement for us. Yes, just move your index finger and click the like button. Here you go. Next, let's see the notorious transmission that you should avoid. Based on historical reports and consumer complaints, I can provide you with a selection of 5 vehicles from the list that have consistently shown more pronounced transmission-related problems. First one is the Ford Focus and Fiesta from year 2011 to 2016. These vehicles faced widespread issues with the power-shift dual-clutch automatic transmission, including the shuddering, throttle shift, and early wear. The extent of these problems led to a class action lawsuit and multiple recalls. The second one is the Nissan Pathfinder and the year 2013 to 14. The early models of the Nissan Pathfinder equipped with a CVT had significant reliability problems, including transmission overheating, shuddering, and failure. Third one is the Dodge Dart, and the year is 2013 to 2016. The Dodge Dart faced criticism for its dual-clutch automatic transmission, which exhibits issues such as poor shift quality, delayed engagement, and rough shifting. Next one, let's see the Chevrolet Equinox and GMC Terran. These models with the 60/45 6-speed automatic transmission had complaints about harsh shifting delays, and other transmission-related issues. Alright, the last one, Honda Civic year 2001 to 2002, and the Civic Hybrid year 2006 and 2009. While Honda has a generally good reputation for reliability, these specific model years of the Civic faced issues with their transmissions, including slippering, premature failure, and harsh shifting. Of course, some of you may say that my Honda Civic never had any problem. Unfortunately, my Honda Accord had a transmission problem a couple years ago, and you can link the videos for more information. Please remember that this assessment is based on the historical data and should not be taken as an absolute judgment. Some of these vehicles might have received updates or improvements in later on model years, and individual experience can vary. The reasons we share this information is for you if you consider purchase used vehicles from the list. Meanwhile, we all know every vehicle will have its own performance based on the maintenance status and the driving habits of the car owner. It's crucial to thoroughly research the specific model year, read the consumer reviews, and possibly consult with a trusted mechanic before making a decision. With that being said, since we talk about the top 5 bad transmission today, in the next video, we are going to talk about the best of the best. The top 5 best transmission that can provide you the good performance even they have run more than 100,000 miles. So my friend, remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our weekly video. Many thanks for your watching and staying with us till now. I wish you, your business, and your family all the best, and I will see you very soon next week. Adios.